Hello everyone, welcome to Ais Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Armed Forces in Humanitarian Assistance and Disaster Relief. Humanitarian Assistance and Disaster Relief (HADR) operations are a vital part of India's global engagement. As natural and man-made disasters become more frequent and severe, India draws on its extensive disaster management experience to provide timely, coordinated and well-organized assistance internally and to affected countries. The ability to work in hostile environment, organizational skills and logistics know how to make the armed forces most suitable for HADR operations, and they are often the first responders in the event of any disaster. The objective of HADR is ensuring a prompt, efficient, coordinated and responsive reaction when disasters overwhelm civilian capacities. The Government of India often deploys the armed forces to augment national and international relief efforts when civilian capacities are stretched. India's humanitarian aid and disaster relief to our partner countries is focused on providing timely assistance to save lives, alleviate suffering, maintain and protect human dignity during a post-disaster. The Indian Army undertakes the deployment of troops for rescue and relief, establishment of field hospitals, restoration of essential infrastructure, and delivery of humanitarian aid. The Indian Navy plays a critical role through evacuation of Indian nationals from abroad, transportation of relief material, and deployment of ships and helicopters for maritime and littoral assistance. The Indian Air Force provides strategic and tactical airlift by ferrying relief supplies, medical teams and disaster response personnel to affected areas while also undertaking evacuation and rescue missions. Complementing these efforts, the Indian Coast Guard assists during cyclones, tsunamis, earthquakes, oil platform fires and flooding in coastal regions, ensuring rapid response and maritime safety. India's humanitarian assistance and disaster relief posture is anchored in a robust policy and institutional architecture that enables coordinated, timely, and credible responses to humanitarian crises both overseas and within the country. While the term HADR is primarily used for international engagements, domestic disaster response is governed through a statutory framework, together reflecting a whole of government approach integrating diplomacy, defense, disaster management, and public health capacities. So, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.